Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the map settings on Strava, but first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Strava, and after that click on not the maps, or you can check it here as well, or if you click on the record as well, here is this icon and click on this, and here you have the map settings. First the map type, the standard, the satellite, the hybrid, and here you have the layers, the global heat map, so you can turn it on and off. So this is for the map settings on Strava. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.